Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to calculate the sum of list of all elements, right? So what we can do is inside a function, let's just use the return statement. There is a default function or global function that is available in Python called sum, and we can simply pass the numbers list to it, and it will take care of the sum and everything. Okay, it will loop through and then do all the sum and everything. So we don't need a loop kind of thing and then actually add up every other thing. That's not required. We can use the default function itself. Right, let's run the code. Okay, it works just fine. I'm pretty sure you will see some kind of solution which refers to the loop. Okay, some people, okay, you see right over here. So that's how they are doing it the looping way. Okay, that's not required, just the sum numbers is done. Okay, there you see there is another loop. That's just beginner level thing. Once you know what global functions are available inside Python, we can simply use that. So that's what I have used. You could do something similar. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.